long, the little ants worked and worked, storing food for winter, while the grasshopper fiddled his time away. When winter came, the ants had plenty of food. The grasshopper was cold and hungry. That's a lot of baloney. Just look at them. Work, work, work. They never have any fun. Hey, you're not an ant. You're a grasshopper.
Yep, that's right. But the ants taught me a lesson. Right.
Work! Just the thought of work tires me out. Boy, am I hungry. Pardon me. Would one of you step in the lobby and get me a candy bar? Right back at you. What was that? Huh? What was it?
That was the wolf at your door.
A wolf? Yeah, Wolfie, yeah, Wolfie, yeah, Wolfie, yeah, Wolfie.
Well, what do you know? If it ain't my old friend Red Riding Hood in person. And what, might I ask, have you got in the basket?
I've got a basket of food for my grandma. I bet you have, I bet you.
You don't say. Mind if I have a look? Hmm? Waffles.
Yeah, have one.